back to your classes and let's look at your English class, please. English 11 there. All right, so due Monday, syllabus plus acknowledgement. Have you done that?
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm doing that.
Okay. Let's go to the year-long and community used rubric. See what that is. Go ahead and open that up if you don't mind. Could you click on the student copy year-long rubric? All right, so why don't you read score 4 for us out loud so we can get an idea of what you're expected to be able to do. Could you read that for us, please?
Oh my, craftsmanship, organization, format, conventions,
The
ideas.
words next to the bolded words are also important. Elements, placed,
Why we need to read the rubric? We already know the rubric.
Okay, no, you don't. If you did, you would be able to tell me everything that's on it. So, all right.
You want to read it?
No, I don't have this class. You do. I want you to read it so that you know what is expected in this class to be able to do well.
Okay.
If you don't want to read it, then close the tab.
Wait, what? If I don't need to read it, then what happens?
I said, if you don't want to, you should, you need to, but if you don't want to, you can close the tab.
Yeah. Close it.
All right, close it.
You know what? Elements played with precision or innovation, organized to express a unified idea or whole. Even minor aspects of format conventions are correct. Reveals information about the subject, take risk, thinking and beyond, expressive, unexpected, out of the box, funny, moving and or beautiful. Colorful, vivid, precise, show personality. It goes above and beyond expectations.
All right, so does anything stand out to you when you read that?
Yeah.
Okay, what stands out to you when you read that?
Well, we just have to be for details. We just have to be able to show what we wrote in our information.
I don't think it says that. I think it says and under details, uh, personality, being
Yeah,
very
personality.
precise. What does that mean to show personality?
Okay, what happened?
Research. I don't know. Sometimes disconnections happen. So what does it mean to show personality in your writing?
The show personality in my writing means these are the show what you
All right, that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here.
Yeah,
And
I know what it means. We just have to have we have the ability to deal efficiently with difficult things.
all right. So what I want you to do here is whenever you're ready, and there's no rush. Like you said, there's nothing that you need to do in school right now. So, but I'd like you to read this question. This is your SAT math question. This is, story problem. Whenever you're ready, could you read this out
Lisa
loud for
wants to
us, please?
order business cards. a printing company determines the cost C to the customer using the following function, where B equals the number of boxes of cards and N equals the number of ink colors. A retail orders 4 boxes of cards printed in 3 colors. How much would the cards cost?
All right, so what is the question asking you to find? What are you trying to determine here? Could you read the last sentence for us, please?
Okay, yeah. How much would the cards cost?
Yes, the cost, the total cost, okay? So do you see that the cost function is right here? This is the cost equation.
Yeah.
What does B stand for?
B stand for B stands for the number of boxes.
Okay, and what does N stand for?
The number of ink colors.
Okay, so in this problem, what is the value of B and what is the value of N?
The number of boxes, and N is the number of ink colors.
Okay, and what is the numerical value of B? And what is the numerical value of N?
$14. B
Nope,
$25.60.
nope, it's in here. It's in the prompt. How many boxes, how many colors?
4 boxes, 3 colors.
Okay, I heard 4 boxes. How many colors?
3 colors.
All right, perfect. Now, I want you to put those values into the equation here. So B is 4, B is 4, N is 3, and I want you to simplify, please. And you're welcome to use a calculator. You should use a calculator.
Okay. $168, it's B.
Okay, so your final answer is letter B, is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. How did you come up with that?
Um, well, I just did into a different equation. It's a long equation for me to say.
Okay, what is 25.6 times 4?
$101.40.
Okay, so notice that it's got a 40 in it. So it should be 102.40, right? And what is 14 times 4 times 3 minus 1?
14 times 3 minus 1. Okay. 112. The total answer is 112.
Okay. All right, so now add those together.
Okay. $214.40.
Okay, so different than your answer. Would you agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not sure how you got your answer, but you see how to correctly multiply these numbers and then add them together.
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
because we can
A.
do, we can do another problem like this if you want.
Uh,
So we're gonna do another calculation like this. I'm gonna go ahead and snip in the equation again, because I want you to be able to do this. This is not impossible. This is something that you can do.
okay.
All right, so let's do another problem here. This time, let's say B is equal to 5 and N is equal to 4. Could you calculate this for us, please?
Yeah. It's A. Again.
It's not A. I'm asking you to put these numbers in here and give me the numerical value.
Okay, yeah. Mhm.
What is the numerical value?
I don't know. That's too hard.
Okay, no, well, no, it's not, Sarge. I mean, 25.60 times 5 plus 14 times 5 times 4 minus 1. Just ask you to calculate that, please.
Okay, yeah. Hmm.
Do you have any questions for me about how to use the calculator? Okay.
I got it, I got it. Hmm. $338.
Yes, it is $338. Very good. Okay. All right, let's do a new question.
Can we take a little break?
Sure. How much time do you want?
For 5 minutes until 7:35.
All right, let's do it. Hey, Sourish, are you back? Hey, Sourish, let me know when you are back.
I'm back.
All right. So I got a new problem here for us to look at. So whenever you're ready, if you want to read it, we can work through it.
Okay. Customers of Paul's Beauty Supply can make purchases online from catalog or in the store. About how much more did the company make from catalog sales than from the online sales in March?
Okay, so I want you to tell me how much they did in online sales, then catalog, and then in store. Could you give me those three values, please, from the tape, from the chart?
Yeah.
All right, Sourish, do you have the amount for online sales?
I know what the answer is.
Okay, what is the amount for online sales?
The online sales are at 63.
I'm sorry, say that again.
They're at 62.
Okay, but that's in thousands, so 63,000. How about catalog sales?
One 25.
Well, I think it's a little higher. I'd go 130,000 on that, kind of right in the middle
But
there.
it's not at the middle of it.
How about in-store sales?
100.
100,000. Okay, very good. Now, what do we want the difference of? Do we want the difference between catalog and online? So we're going to take 130,000 and subtract 63,000. What does that become?
Uh,
About 67,000, which is the closest answer to that?
B.
Letter B. All right, good job.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to stop there for today.